Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's video is about 3 reasons to keep investing, especially when markets are down. Look, there's a lot of volatility in the market, a lot of people are afraid, there's a lot of uncertainty. However, uncertainty and fear also brings opportunity. And so this video is about 3 reasons why you should keep investing. So, number 1 is you're buying quality companies at a discounted price. See, when the share market falls, shares end up being a lot cheaper. And it is the best time to enter the market when the share market's falling, because you're buying quality companies at a discounted price. One great analogy to look at the share market when it's falling is that you're buying luxury items at a significantly cheaper price. You know, when we see a luxury item at a significantly cheaper price or on sale, we go out and buy it. We take that opportunity to buy that luxury item. And that's the mentality you should have when it comes to the share market, is that when it's falling, you're buying luxury items at a significantly discounted price. So, number 1 reason is that you are buying quality companies at a cheaper price. Second reason to keep investing is markets recover. Markets recover. I understand it is hard to see your shares or your share portfolio falling and the value falling, but history has proven to us that markets recover. So if you're able to write it out, I strongly suggest you do so, because usually the best days follow the worst. Best days follow when markets crash. So you want to be invested. You want to take that opportunity. You don't want to sell when markets fall, because then you lock in the losses. So write it out, because the best days tend to follow when markets fall. And finally, the third reason to keep on investing is you're still receiving dividends. Irrespective when markets rise or fall, companies are still paying you dividends. So you're still receiving a really good income. And sometimes, a lot of the times when markets fall, clients forget that they're still receiving income. All they look at is the capital growth that they've lost. They forget the income that they're receiving by holding those shares. So always remember that the income is still going to come in. And then the ideal situation would be is to reinvest those dividends, and then you're buying even more shares at a discounted price. So, they're my 3 reasons to keep investing when the share market falls, or especially when the share market falls. In summary, number 1 is that you're buying quality companies at a discounted price. Number 2 is that markets recover. And finally, the third reason is you're still receiving dividends and distributions from your shares. That's it from me. If you have any questions, I would love to hear your comments below. If you'd like to talk to a financial advisor and sit down with them and discuss your investments, goals and needs, please contact us. We're more than happy to assist where we can. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.